G'day everyone, welcome to the channel. Thanks to all the subscribers and to all the viewers. We've reached a new milestone of 75,000 views. We're growing slowly, onwards and upwards. And I'd like to apologise because I haven't posted in almost a week because our internet at home had gone down. Basically Telstra, the service provider for our home phone, has decided to do repairs on the exchange. They have assured me it will be up in the next couple of days, so I'm hoping that I'll start posting again after a couple of days, and I'll try to post this video using my mobile phone as a hotspot. Hopefully it goes through. But thanks once again for 75,000 views, and hopefully we'll get up to 100,000 and more subscribers. And if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please do so and hit the bell icon to get notifications. And within 7 weeks time we're going to Greece, and yeah, I hope to make a lot of videos from there. So have a good day and thanks for watching. Forgot to mention, I'm actually planning on buying a Canon EOS M50 DSLR, so it's not going to replace the GoPro Hero 7 Black that I'm using at the moment, but it will mean that my videos, especially at night, will be a lot better. So that's to look forward to, especially now that I'm going to be travelling in a few weeks' time. And video footage will be a lot better, I hope. The GoPro is pretty good that you're watching me at the moment, but the GoPro is really only good during the day. At night it's pretty lousy, but and I'll use this GoPro as a secondary camera, and yeah, so we've got a few things to look forward to. Cheers, have a good day.